Hi guys, my name is Zohaib and you are watching Excel Mixture channel. First let me clarify that what you are going to watch and can learn in this video. Basically this video I made based on a request for one of my subscriber for a training purpose. And for those who want to use develop point of sales application in Excel, also you will learn here which features you should add in your software if you are designing or develop a point of sales and billing software. Because when you design or build any management system for any field, you should know the purpose and process of the work based on the market requirement. I will highlight here application features, steps, that how you can use this application and manage your records professionally. This application has been developed in Excel with advanced user form interface as front end and Access database as back end, where multi-user can access at the same time. This application has been designed to easily manage the small business setups and records without purchasing the expensive software. You may use this application in shops, restaurant, superstore, fast food, pharmacy, wholesaler, and so on. So if you are still interested to watch this video, I really appreciate. Otherwise, you can skip the video. Let's start the training. In this section, we will learn the software installation and settings. Once you download the folder, keep this folder in your desktop or any share folder. Okay, then open, extract the complete folder in your desktop or share folder. You can keep anywhere. Extract. I will keep in my desktop. Okay, and close. Now see, this is a folder. Open, setup. Here you will find all the files related to the software and also software manual. Go back, open Excel file. If you see this message, just enable the content. Press yes. First we will add the store information. You can close this form. Click here, store information. Add your store information here. Store name, address, cell number, email. Then press save. Second, before start this application, you must know the date format. Here 1st January 2021 means first day, month and year. How you can change this? Go to control panel. Here change date and number format. Click format, select here English United Kingdom, and short date format must be DD, MM, YYY, day, month, year. Press OK. In this section we will learn how to create locker and add employees. First we will add the locker. Click here. Here you can mention your locker name. For example, in my store I have only one locker by my name. I will add my name. So here you can put any remarks. store a local, add new. Okay, now this is a locker ID. How to add employees? Go here, employees, add your employee's name. For example, I will add here Ahmad Khan, salesman, mobile 0096, just dummy number, okay, and email xyz@gmail.com. Here you can add address and status active, add new. In this section we will learn how to add the products. You can see this button, click. Here is our product registration form. You can add product here. First, barcode. If you have product barcode, then you can write here. Otherwise, click in this button. The system will generate automatically barcode. Write here product name. For example, I want to add mobile, Samsung A5. Here you can choose based on your requirement, pieces and sets. I'll select piece. Product type. What is a product type for this product? We will mention here electronics. Brand name Samsung, model 2016, purchase price I purchased this of mobile 800 and sales price I will set 900. I want to sales 900. Here you will add tax. For example, we have 5% tax, just mention here 5 only. If you don't have tax, just make 0. Okay. Then next, here you can add any notes. Here, available quantity. For example, when you start the software, some products already you have, so just add the quantity, available quantity, for inventory purpose. I already have 5 sets in my store. Here you can select image link. If you want to add, select pic, choose your picture, okay, product picture, then add new. The data has been added to the database. Press OK. So we already generated one product. We will add another. Status, we will select active. Barcode will generate automatically. Product name. Okay, this time we will add laptop. For example, Lenovo. I5, set product type, laptop, brand name Lenovo, model year for example 2017, purchase price, what is the purchase price, for example 1000 real, and I want to sell 1200, and tax here I pay 5%, and I don't have available quantity in my store, so I just make 0, add new. The data has been added. Okay, now we already generated two items. If you want to edit, just press double click in the product and you can change whatever you want to change the information and press update. If you want to delete this product, just double click and press delete button. Okay, in this section we will learn how to add vendors or supplier. So we will check where we can find vendors form. There is two options to find the forms from. First, if you close this and press F9, Alt F9, here is our whole application form. You can go from here by click on vendors. Okay, and another option, go to our main section, run app. You can find from in purchase button, purchase, and here is our vendor registration form. So we will create now vendor. First select the vendor type, organization or person. I will add organization. Vendor name, XYZ company, street, Azia, city, Chadda, and here other information, mobile number, just type wrong number. Okay, fax, contact name, who is the contact person, for example mention Junaid Khan, and then you press the add new button. The data has been added to the database. Here is our two vendor. This one already before I generate. If you like to edit or delete or update the information for the vendors, so just select the vendor, click double click in the here, and you can update the information here. For example, this vendor Z store, we need to add his mobile number now. So 05014190991 and press update information. If you want to delete, just double click on the vendor and delete button press. In this section we will learn how to create order and invoice posting. Okay, let's start. Here we will add invoice number. First time you need to add here manually number. Okay, For example, you need to start order number from 100 or from 1000. So you can just first time add manually. I will start from 1002. Okay, this is only first time you need to add manually. Next time when you create another order, then press new button, you will get the next number automatically. Here we will add the product. If you want to check the search the product, you can click here and search. If you know the product ID, click here product ID, press 1, enter, and add items. If you have scanner, barcode scanner, then you can click here and scan the barcode. When you press the barcode, it will the all information will become here. So we will add first item and we will check second item. We'll add and third item, 6 USB add. Here you can see stock not enough because we don't have stock. If you want to check how many quantity available we have, you can click here. 1 minute, press right, then press here. We have only 5. More than 5 we cannot sales. Otherwise we need to purchase. In next section I will tell you how to purchase. Okay, now we will just sell 4. Add item. After add items in your order, now we will create the invoice. First select the payment method. If cash, credit, COD, bank transfer. COD mean cash on delivery. If cash, select cash. Write here customer ID. You can search from here or your customer. For example, customer number 1. Okay, override here, press 1, enter. Invoice description. If you like to add, I just skip now. Salesman. Who is a salesman? Ahmed Khan. Locker. This money goes to which account? You can select your locker. We already created locker before. If you see, if you remember, this is already we have locker, store locker. So all the money goes to in this locker. Then just press, and here I want to highlight one point. If cash invoice and the customer he give you cash money, so in the same time before invoice posting you can click here payments and add payments. Okay, because when you click the button for payments, the all data required data the form automatically capture from here. So you just press add payment, then press invoice button. Here now system will generate the invoice. The invoice has been posted. Okay, here is the printing confirmation. Do you want to print invoice? Right now I don't have printer, so I just press no. You can print this invoice in thermal printer. I already set up. No, and one file already saved in your desktop. I will show you. Close, minimize. If you go here, here is you can see it in desktop automatically folder generate gptf. Click, and here our invoice 1002. Sorry, my computer is slow now. See, here is our invoice. Actually, here I set thermal printer, thermal printer settings, small printer. You can check, search in Google. You can know all the features. Thermal printer. Here our store name, invoice number, the customer information, method of payment, cash, due date, Ahmad Khan, user, and here the barcode scanner. After you can scan by barcode. Here our items, total, discount, subtotal, tax, and net amount. Here is I extend the invoice section because I want to highlight some point which before I was forget. So we will create another invoice. Click the button, press new. Now see, next time the number automatically generate. No need to add manually. Here you will select the product, add another product. We need to add number 2, add. Here, before I forget, if you want to edit by mistake, you add the products, how you can delete or edit. If for example we need to edit this product from sales order, we just press double click and all the information come here. Then we can edit the information. For example, we need to change the price or we need to add the quantity. So for example, we will add 2 instead of 1. 2 quantity customer want to purchase. So press here this button for add new items. Okay, here you can edit the product. Now see our the data has been updated. Now here our product, if you see, instead of 1, 2 already updated. And if you want to delete the product, just double click and you can delete the product by click here, press. Okay, we will add invoice information. This time I will add invoice by credit because some of our regular customer, sometimes they don't have money or they don't want to pay, so they will pay later. So we will make as credit and we will select the customer ID. Select the salesman, and here no need to add locker ID because we have credit account. Okay, before I told you to make payment in the same time before invoice posting. This is only if you have cash. Even if you have cash, you can add payment later also. But to make easy our work, so I inform you to click the same time and add payment. Otherwise, you can add the payment later. Okay. So we will press the button invoice posting. The invoice has been posted. Do you want print invoice? No. If you see here in this section invoice, all our invoices list. For example, this customer, now he want to pay the payment. Before he purchased from us as credit. Now he want to pay the payment. So you can just click here payment form, or just check the invoice ID in 1003. Then go to here payment, search your invoice 1003. Here's our invoice, posting invoice. We will add how much you want to pay. If you want to pay the full amount, keep as it is. If you pay less amount, then you can change the amount here. Okay, and press the locker ID, add payment. The collection has been added, and here's our receive voucher automatically system generate. And if you want to edit the any transaction for collection, you can just double click and change the information and press edit or delete. In this section we will learn how to make purchase order and purchase item. Here click the purchase button, enter here PO number. When you create the first PO, add the PO number manually, because for example you want to start from 100 or 1000. This depend on you. Okay, I want to I already have before PO, so I will just press new. Only first time when you create the PO number you need to add manually number PO number. Then next time when you create PO, next PO, that number automatically generate. Select vendor ID. We will check our vendors from here. For example, we need to add new vendor. We'll check add person. We will buy from Junaid Akhtar, and his mobile number, only wrong number. Okay, I will not mention here my any correct number. This is only dummy data. And add. Now already registered another vendor, and vendor ID number 3. We will type here vendor ID 3, enter. Which product we need to purchase. If you know the product ID, write the direct. If you don't know, just click here and search which product you need to purchase. If you want to purchase new product, then you should register first product, add new, then you can purchase. Okay, now we need to purchase USB 3, enter. How many quantity we need to purchase? 10. Here is a each USB price. You can change the price as you want. Then select the locker ID. This is why from which locker you are using the money. Okay. Then add item. Here is our first item added in our PO. We will add another item in the same PO. So just we type the item number 2, enter, and here we need to purchase 10 pieces. Add item. So here is our purchase order items, and here is our total PO 10,500. If you want to edit, just double click and change the information and press edit. If you want to delete any product, double click and click the delete button. In this section we will learn how to add opening balance. So click here customer opening balance button, select the customer ID, you can search the customer from here. For example, okay, we will add the new customer. Then we will add opening balance. Customer type, person, customer name, Ali, Muhammad, phone 05000123. Add new. Okay. Now check here customer ID number 4. We need to open his balance, previous balance, if you like to maintain his previous record. Close. Open customer opening balance. Select the customer ID 4. Add his opening balance. For example, his previous balance 5,000. 5,000. Okay. Here you can add any note. Previous balance. Sorry. And add the data has been added. Press OK. So here already now we have file Ali Muhammad 5,000, his opening balance. If you like to delete or update, just double click in the list and change the information and update or delete. Okay. In this section we will learn how to add the customer payments or settle invoice. So for example, we will go here invoices form. Here our all invoices. Okay, customer number 1, invoice number 1003. Before we sell as credit. Now now this customer he want to pay, so we will add his collection. How to add? Check 1003 invoice number. You can open from here collection form, or you can open from here also. So we will write here invoice number 1003. Now for example, if we pay full amount, You can update, add payment. If he still don't want to pay the full amount, he just give us 500 real. So we'll just add here 500, and who collect the payment? So we will select here Ahmad Khan, and this payment for customer ID, and this payment we will deposit to which account? To our store account. Select one, add. Okay. If you want to update or delete, just double click, change the information and edit, or if you want to delete from here. Okay, close. In this section we will learn how to add daily expense. Click on expense button. Here is our expense form. You can search here all our transaction. Now right now we don't have any transaction, so we will add our expense. First select the locker ID, type. Here we purchased some stationery. Okay, we'll write here office stationery, amount 600, remarks if you like to update. Okay, otherwise skip. Name, here you can add your employee name Ahmad Khan and add. How to update or delete? The same way as we have in our customer form, vendor form. Just double click, you can edit or delete from here. And one thing I want to clear you, for example, here is our expense form. Here I already added some types. If you not found any type based on your expense, so you can add here. For example, we will bill, utilities, stationery. Okay, we don't have medicals. Okay, we will add new type, medical, and description. Checkup fee and medicine for employee one, employee number 1, 2, amount 500, and select the salesman. Or if you don't want to update, no problem, just add here. But locker should be, because this expense from which account we use money. Add expense. Now if you click here, just click here, then you will found, you can found here your type, medical. In this section we will review our reports. Okay, first We will check these reports. Click here. Here are all sales transaction. You can generate report by click on button. In this report, you can find all your daily sales transaction, and also you can filter by order ID, product name, and filter reports by dates. For example, you want to create report, sales report from last 2 months. So select here reports by date and enter here your start date and end date. Before enter date, you can check the date format. Okay. And next, sales order cost estimation report. From these reports, you can check your cost value and profit. For example, here order ID 1001, how much total cost, actual cost, purchase 5600, and what is the sales value, net value 6840, and how much we get profit 1000 from this order. From and who sells, Ahmad Khan, and payment type cash. And also you can from here generate reports by different way. Sales product order ID, you can search sales invoice customer ID, you can check by customer ID, by customer name, and reports by date. And after generate report, you can transfer this data to Excel file also for your further pivot table or other calculation. Next, here is our purchase transaction. Click generate report. Here our all transaction. You can generate report by different way and search also by different way. Right now you can see all our purchase products by product wise. If you want to check only the total PO purchase order, you can click here view total PO, generate. So we have only total two purchase order. The first purchase order by Z store, the 18,000, and second 10,500. Here is our total amount for purchase order. If you want to check by product, so just select all and generate. And you can filter and generate report by date also. Next, inventory report. Here is our inventory report. Click here generate. Product ID, product name, what is the opening inventory, quantity 5 for this product, and we already sell 4 pieces and available 11, and here is our stock value based on our purchasing price. Also from here you can filter by different options. Okay, and if you need these all data in Excel file, just click here, export data to Excel, close. Next, balance, customer balance report. Here is our all customer balance. Customer ID 1, what is the opening balance, total invoice, total receive, and total balance. Here is different report mode. You can generate report based on your requirement. Okay, and you can transfer this data to Excel file and make PDF file also from here. Just press click here, then you can find PDF file in your desktop. Next, if you want to check all your stored transaction by debit and credit wise, you can click here ledger. Here all your transaction by debit and credit way, expense, purchase, collection, invoices, opening balance, even you can generate all from here. And if you like to filter based on your requirement, you can remove, uncheck, and then enter the locker ID, then generate. Okay, and this file also you can take data in Excel file and PDF file. Next, what is the remaining? Yes, here is our account statement. We will check account statement for customer number, customer ID 1, generate. Here is the statement of account for this customer. What is the invoices, sale, sales invoices, and receiving payments, and until today what is the balance for this customer. You can transfer to PDF and send to customer also. And if you like to generate account statement based on the date, you can select here. Okay, type the date and then generate. Okay, close. I hope we covered our all main points, and if you have any question, you can ask in comment section or send me email. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please press the like button. Bye.